You read the title right. Nvidia set to release more graphics cards that you won't be able to find in stock anywhere. With that being said, I just want to thank the sponsor of this video, the like button. It's free to press. Just press it for the YouTube algorithm. It will help out a bunch. So these two new cards are going to be the 3080 Ti and the 3070 Ti. Both set to release around January or February. And really quick, I'm just going to go over the specs of the 3080 Ti and compare them to the 3090 just to show that the 3090 pricing is kind of outrageous compared to what you're getting for with the release of the 3080 Ti. So the 3080 Ti, just like the 3090, is going to have 10,496 FP32 cores. However, the 3080 Ti is actually going to have 4 gigs less of G6 memory. It's going to come with 20 gigs versus the 3090's 24 gigs. Which, when you're talking about memory sizes that large, it honestly won't make a big difference for most people unless you're doing really professional applications or you're gaming at 8K, which I don't think anyone is going to be doing for some time now. So moving on to memory bandwidth, the 3080 Ti is going to have 760 gigabytes per second, where the 3090 has 936. I don't think this difference is going to be such a huge deal because, again, when you're talking about numbers this large, a difference of around 100 isn't going to make or break the card. So given these differences, I'm expecting the 3080 Ti to be just 2% slower than the 3090, which is 2% performance really worth an extra $500? Oh yeah, forgot to mention, 3080 Ti is going to MSRP at $1,000. Going back to what I was saying, the 3090 MSRP is at $1,500 versus the 3080 Ti is going to MSRP at $1,000. And for a 2% performance difference, I really don't think it's worth paying an extra $500. Which really just goes to show how overpriced the 3090 is. Moving on from the 3080 Ti, we have exciting leaks about the 3070 Ti. Looking at my notes, the leak so far is saying that the 3070 Ti is going to have 7,424 FP32 cores, 10 gigs of G6X memory, and from what I think, it's going to be about 10% slower than the 3080. It's also going to MSRP at $600, which places it just $100 cheaper than the 3080. So now let's talk about the significance of these two releases and what this means for AMD. I think Nvidia is releasing these cards to force AMD to drop the prices on their cards, and I think this is because Nvidia does offer better features than AMD, and for that reason I think AMD is going to have to drop their prices to make their cards more attractive. All in all, I think the release of these two cards is better for us, the consumer, because it increases the amount of competition in the market. That's it for the video. I really do hope that you like these news type of videos because I really enjoy making them. I put a lot of time into researching this stuff, so it would mean a lot if you dropped a like on the video. And with that being said, this has been Daniel from the Decorwa channel, and I'll see you in the next one.